generic target parser based on template. Now this enhancement allows you to create dynamic linking URLs at the service and portfolio levels in order to define linking for local collections or to override linking provided by the community zone parser. And this applies for portfolios in the local and community zone. First, let's go over the navigation, and then I'll talk about the different details of the template itself. Okay, if I do a persistent search for electronic portfolio, we'll pick a subject close to my heart, aviation. If we choose an electronic portfolio and click on Edit, and then go to linking information, what we have now are new radio buttons for static, dynamic, or parser parameters. If I choose the dynamic URL radio button, I now have a field where I can enter dynamic URL information. This is a sample of rules that you would enter into this field in order to create a parse parameter through dynamic linking. And I want to show you how it works. Let's say I copy these commands into Alma, into the dynamic URL field here. Let's make it a little bigger. Now these commands will tell Alma how to construct the link based upon these commands. We can test it to see if it's been put together correctly. If I click Test Dynamic URL and Syntax, there's a message above that says it's correct. Let's say theoretically that I was putting this together and left out a bracket and clicked on Test Dynamic URL Syntax. You get the message above. It not only does it tell you that it's wrong, but it tells you what's missing. So if I put it back, the dynamic URL syntax is correct. And there are other rules as well, including substring, replace, and URL encode. You can use all of these to create the dynamic URL that suits your needs. You would click Save. And the new override parse parameter will be included. So those are the instructions for our new generic target parser based upon template. So if anyone has any questions about that, now would be a good time to ask.